Okay, so we just got our delivery of the other side for the other side of the kitchen. Remember, I previously stated this is the smaller side. I finished it just about. So it was 62 boxes, actually 61. We're short one, I'm actually counting. But this is what you can expect. And when they say 62 boxes, that can also include little small pieces like this. Each one of these is considered a box or a package. This. Sometimes it's all this. Those are separate pieces. So totally everything should account for it. So I just want to give you an idea of what this whole side of a kitchen would look like. So we have the large boxes, which will be the cabinets and the drawers. We got that. We have this piece here. These three boxes here. Cabinets. We have the rails, kick plate. That's all left over. We have some smaller boxes. Those are the legs. A little glass kit for the drawers. Box here, something there. We have these skinny ones. What else? Here's the box of miscellaneous. And then these panels. A lot of these are end and side panels. The skinny boxes usually indicate that. So this is it. This is the whole kitchen that I'm going to assemble. And when we first heard we're going to get 62 boxes, like, oh my goodness, where we're going to put them all. And so there you go. So now I have a manifest, and I'm going to show you in a separate video how to check your manifest, the best way to do it. So thanks for watching, and yeah.